Are you looking for the best vacuum sealers? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best vacuum sealers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall. The gentle cycle wasn't gentle enough for Czech cereal, but the vacuum can be stopped manually, which kept our raspberries from getting smashed and juiced. After sealing, we didn't see any air seeping back into the bags, so we are confident that they achieved a strong seal. We love that this machine uses a lever to hold it closed for sealing, but the waiting time of 2 minutes before sealing the next bag is less convenient. The machine will operate before that time is up, but the wait is suggested for the best result. The instructions also note that when choosing the manual seal button, the button won't operate for at least 15 seconds after the last use. It's not a long wait, but it might take slightly longer when making batches of bags from the 2 included rolls of plastic. When vacuum sealing cooked chicken during testing, the machine's power was just a bit much. It sucked so much moisture from the bag that it wouldn't seal, even though the moist setting was used. Unlike several other machines we tested, it does not include a handheld vacuum. Dimensions: 17x5x9 inches. Weight: 6 pounds. Power: 130 watts. Includes bag cutter and storage. Accessory port: 2 bag rolls. Number 2. Best chamber. The instructions were a little vague, so this might be best for vacuum sealing pros. There are no presets, however. The user has complete control of vacuuming, sealing, and cooling times. Because of that, this chamber vacuum sealer did great when sealing Czechs and raspberries. We were able to remove all the air but stop the machine before it crushed or bruised the food. It might take some trial and error to find the perfect setting, but it's worth it for someone who will use it a lot. Because this is a more industrial machine, the user needs to monitor the vacuum pump oil level and add more as necessary, but we felt that it was reasonable maintenance for the quality of this machine. Dimensions: 16.1 x 12.6 x 11.8 inches. Weight: 43 pounds. Power: 260 watts. Includes 30 bags. Maintenance supplies. Number 3. Best for soups and sauces. This vacuum sealer did a great job sealing chicken before cooking with a sous vide cooker, and the pulse function made it easy to handle delicate foods like cereal and raspberries. However, there was a bit of air left in the berry bag. If we had continued, the raspberries likely would have been crushed. Aside from the pulse feature, there is no other way to handle delicate foods. A sensor detects when a bag has been inserted for vacuuming, the lid shuts, and the vacuum process begins. Some might find that useful, but it could also be annoying for people who prefer to handle it themselves. However, the vacuum will draw moisture upward, so it's best to watch carefully to make sure the bag is sealed before liquid is sucked into the pump. The manual that came with this machine was thorough, and the tip section included useful information. Although feeding the bag roll and closing the machine is a little awkward, the machine is still easy to use for beginners. The included presets make it more user-friendly, and once the first bag is made from a roll, the next automatically gets a seal. We like that a rest period wasn't needed after sealing bags. Dimensions: 23.6 x 9.8 x 10.9 inches. Weight: 6.4 pounds. Power: 186 watts. Includes 2 11 rolls, 5 1-quart bags, 5 1-gallon bags, 10 easy-fill quart bags, 5 easy-fill gallon bags, 5 vacuum zipper quart bags, 5 vacuum zipper gallon bags, wine stopper, marinate and preserve container. Number 4. Best high-end. The unit sealed our chicken well, but since there's no pulse or gentle setting, it can be rough on delicate foods. During testing, the cereal started to crunch before the vacuum was complete. However, it's possible to stop the vacuuming process by pressing the seal button. When we used that method, delicate foods were better protected, although there was air left in the bag with raspberries. While we like this machine for beginners, it's on the pricey side. But the innovative handheld tool works on its own, and we're here for it. After testing, we feel like this machine is easy enough for anyone new to vacuum sealing, despite the high price tag, and that the manual and illustrations are useful. As a compact model, there is no onboard bag storage or bag cutter, so you need to cut your own bags from a roll or buy pre-made bags. Dimensions: 11x12x 20 inches. Weight: 10 pounds. Power: 127 watts. Includes bag storage and cutter, handheld sealer, 3 1/4 bags, 3 1/4 zipper bags, 2 1-gallon bags, 2 1-gallon zipper bags, 1 bag roll. Number 5. Best for beginners. Anova is a well-known name in sous vide equipment, including sous vide cookers, water ovens, and vacuum sealers. We loved how simple the sealer was to use, and while it might have been designed with sous vide users in mind, it's just as good for sealing that on-sale bulk meat purchase. This is a great model for beginners, and it is also great for users who prefer an uncomplicated vacuum sealer. It is a sleek, lightweight model that's easy to use, carry, and store. Only 3 buttons control everything: vacuum and seal, pulse, and seal. The vacuum and seal mode is perfect for storing steaks and chops as well as for sous vide cooking, while the pulse mode is best for delicate foods. We love that it has a double seal for extra security, which is handy in case there's a bit of food or liquid near the top of the bag that could cause a single seal to fail. This vacuum sealer doesn't have a bag cutter, but we had no trouble cutting our own bags and sealing them to create the sizes we needed. Dimensions: 16.7 x 4.8 x 3.1 inches. Weight: 2.3 pounds. Power: 80 watts. Includes 10 bags. Number 6. Best budget. The Geryon has a fairly powerful motor and had no trouble pulling a good vacuum and solid seal around marinated meats of different shapes and sizes in various rounds of tests. Its heat seals held firm and watertight through all of our tests, including cooking, but it didn't quite suck all the air out of the bag in which we sealed an avocado half. It got brown in a few spots where bubbles remained. We were pleasantly surprised with the gentle mode, too. It crushed some of the cereal we vacuum packed, but a smaller proportion than all but a handful of competitors. Another convenient feature is that the machine comes apart completely for cleaning. You can detach the lid, where the motor and controls live, and then rinse the bottom half off in the sink. The touch controls and operation of this machine are quite simple, though it takes a bit of force to get the lid to close and seal. It's a minor quibble, but we did find the buttons to be very sensitive. We accidentally turned it on before we meant to a few times when loading up the bag and food. Overall, this may not be the very best vacuum sealer you can buy, but with its low price, it's a pretty incredible value. Dimensions: 14.4 x 5.5 x 2.6 inches. Weight: 3.4 pounds. Power: 110 watts. Includes accessory port, adapter hose, 5 bags, 1 bag roll.